G'day guys, it's a pretty big day today. I've been wiring this Hilux. Inside looks like this. I put the dash in yesterday and it's got a dash warning light, turn the key on. We've got a check light, we've got an oil light, we've got a battery light, so all those are pretty exciting. The engine loom's looking like this. The fuse box under the bonnet, I've modified that, it looks like this, so you wouldn't know I've been there. We've got an ECU all connected, using a Link Thunder, plugged in through the factory plug there. So the next thing I'm going to do is set up the ECU and see if we can make it run for the first time. It's always a big day when they run for the first time. Wish me luck. Is it going to run? Gone through and set up most of the ECU. I've got it talking to my phone, so the customer can check bits and pieces on the phone without having to hook up a laptop and clear fault codes. And I've made a pedal work. Power steering's been bleeding up. Let's hear it run now. It's a little bit loud.